Mayor, the beloved Yorme of Manila, equally loved Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Ma'am Francis, Sir Julius, other city officials, our supervisors and STO officials, our dear principals, SDAA, DAA, athletes, coaches, officials, parents and PWG to this year's Palarong Maynila. It is with great pride and excitement that I welcome you all po to this grand celebration of youth, excellence, and unity. Today, we gather not as a separate school or district, but as one city, united by our shared passion for sports, camaraderie, and the pursuit of greatness. Mga atleta, each game you play, each goal you chase, and each victory you earn is a reflection of the indomitable Manileño spirit. Pag sinabing Manileño, resilient, disciplined, and full of heart. This year's theme po, one city, one team, one spirit, one goal, reminds us that true victory is not merely in winning medals, but in upholding the values of teamwork, fairness, and integrity. When we move as one, we show the world the strength of Manila, a city whose people never give up, the youth who never stops dreaming, and whose community never failed to stand together. So once again po, welcome to Palarong Maynila 2025. Together, let us play as one city, one team, one spirit, and one goal. Championship to the Palarong Pambansa Manileño!
Yes! Maraming salamat po, Dr. Luneda. Ayan. As we move forward, atin namang mas pasiglahin pa ang San Andres Sports Complex. Nandyan ba ang District 1? Parinig naman ang malakas na palakpakan ng kasama ni Yaman, District 1! We want to hear you, District 2! Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli ang District 3! How about you make some noise for District 4? We gotta fight, no other than District 5! Malakas yun! They join, they mix, it's gotta be District 6! Mas malakas yun! Siyempre, kasama rin natin ang ating mga Para-Games athletes! Ayan po sila. Hoy, palakpakan niyo naman yung Para-Games athletes natin! Isang malakas na palakpakan! Ayan po ang isa sa mga pinagmamalaki pa natin mga atleta, mga Para-Games athletes. Siyempre, narito din ang puwersa ng... Meron akong script dito. Hindi lang sila may swimming pool. They are also cool. Let's give it up for the private schools! Ayan, mga minamahal po natin guests, teachers, athletes, and our honorable guests. It is in this kind of division meet where we continue to produce world-class athletes, including our very own Carlos Yulo. Naniniwala po ba kayo na isa sa inyo ang susunod na Carlos Yulo. Sumigaw ng malakas, come on! Yes, at kami rin kasama nyo ang City of Manila sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap na yan. Bago tayo magpatuloy, everyone, here are some important reminders. Please be informed that our comfort rooms can be found downstairs. Ano po? Sa baba? On each side of this venue, same with the emergency exits. Alam naman po natin sa panahon po ngayon. Also, please do note that we have our SDRR team on standby for any unwanted incidents. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating SDRR team. Yan po ang nangangalaga, of course, sa atin. Ayan. At this juncture, to present our student athletes, please welcome our SDO Manila Division Sports Officer, Sir Erwin Colorico. Let's give him a round of applause.
Make some noise, Manila! Hola. Okay. To our Honorable City Mayor Francisco Isko Dumagoso, our Honorable Vice Mayor Angeli Gia Atienza, Honorable Joaquin Dumagoso, Councilor of 1st District of Manila, to our OIC of Schools Division, Ma'am Nerissa Ross Lumeda, to our ASTS, Sir Aurelio G. Alfonso, to our school heads, thank you so much. To our STAA and DAA, maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Palarong, Maynila 2025! Woohoo! Now, let us recognize and honor the pride of our schools, our athletes and coaches who will compete with skill, determination, and sportsmanship in this year's game. Now, ready na ba ang lahat sa kanya-kanyang cheer? Okay, parang ready na. So, representing District 1, led by their dedicated coaches, please welcome our athletes for District 1. Okay, District 1, ready na ba kayo? Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much, District 1. Talagang masarap silang magmahal.
Grabe naman yung sana all masarap.
Masarap magmahal daw ang Distrito 1. Thank you so much. Next, give a warm welcome to our District 2. Where are the District 2? Ayan. Ready na ba kayo? Okay. Ready na? In 1, 2, 3. Okay. District 2, win. Thank you so much. Now, District 3, your turn to roar. Where are the District 3? Ang dami. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, at yung 1, 2, cheer! Ang tanong ko, sir, sino ba talaga ang tunay na masarap? Ang District 2, District 3?
Sarap.
Okay, now!
Sir Erwin, baka naman sarap ng tunay ng asin na sinigang.
Okay, representing District 4. Where are the District 4? Ayan na. Okay, District 4, ready na ba kayo? Ready tayo. In 1, 2, 3. Let's go Cinco! And also, magpapahuli ba ang Distrito 6? Okay, District 6, are you ready?
Parang na narinig ko, Sir, go daddy.
Go sa East Coast. And now, let's welcome our private schools. Yan, private schools. Ready na ba kayo sa iyan ninyo? Okay, at the count of 1, 2, 3. Okay, nagkakaintindihan tayo. Thank you so much. And before I end my presentation, pwede ba tayo gumawa ng human wave?
Maganda yan.
Everyone! So dito tayo magsisimula papunta sa ating private school and pabalik. Ready ba tayo?
Okay, practice mo muna nga tayo.
Gawin na natin. Okay, isa pa.
Okay.
Ready tayo, ready. Okay, after natin mag-wave, pabalik, isisigaw natin ay Palarong Maynila 2025. Okay ba sa inyo yun? Okay, at count of 1, 2, wave! Balik! Sigaw! Palarong Maynila
2025! Laban! Everyone say May! Ni! Laban! Barisan! May! Ni! Laban! Maraming salamat po, Sir Erwin, sa buong pusong pagmamalaki sa aming mga atletang Manileño. Ayan. At para mas pasayahin pa, to make this event even more colorful, please welcome from President Corazon C. Aquino High School. Let's give it up for Indak ng Sining Dance Troupe. Let's give them a round of applause. Maraming salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, that is induct ng Sining Dance Troupe by Sir J.R. Rapiz. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman po muli para sa bonggang-bonggang presentation na yon. Grabe. Opening pa lang, panalo na! Maraming salamat, Maynila. At this point, gusto namin mas makilala pa kayo from Districts 1 to 6, Paragames athletes, private schools, and our other officials. Kaya naman, to know our crowd and for an up-close interview sa kanila, please welcome ang ating real-life couple, events host, ang ating court-side reporter, Sir Vincent and Ma'am Marisa. Let's give them a round of applause!
Hello, San Andres, and hello, Manila! I am Marisa D. Verona from Gregorio de Jesus Elementary School, your courtside reporter for today.
Good afternoon, Manila! Mag-ingay tayo! This is your courtside reporter, Sir Vince from Francisco Balagtas Elementary School.
Tunay na hindi matatawaran ang diwa ng atletang Pinoy. Dahil ngayong araw ay pinagsama-sama ang lahat ng malalakas na may iisang hangarin para sa ating lungsod.
Tama ka dyan, partner! Kaya ramdam na ramdam ko ang energy at excitement ng bawat isa ngayon!
Kaya naman, San Andres, mag-ingay!
Kaya tayo, partner! Tara na! Simulan na natin ang kwentuhan with our amazing athletes!
Ayan, kilalanin natin ang ating mga manlalaro ngayon. Kaya nandito ako, partner, live na live from District 1. Kaway-kaway naman ang mga taga-District 1. At sa tabi ko, partner, ay isang manlalaro ng softball. Balita ko ay may iniidolo siya. Kaya naman, halika dito. Palakpakan naman natin ang may tapang na manlalarong Pinoy. Ano ang iyong pangalan at ano ang iyong paaralan?
Paaralan ko ba yan, Tony J. Villegas?
Kaya naman ang tanong ko para sa iyo, paano ka naghanda para sa palaro ngayong araw?
Nagsikat po ako tapos train ko ng maayos para po sa laro.
Maraming salamat sa iyong pagtsatsaga at pagsisipag. For sure, malayo ang mararating mo. Thank you. Partner, ano ang balita dyan?
Nandito ako ngayon, partner! District 4! Mag-ingay! Ayan! Dito ako ngayon sa District 4. Siyempre, nandito, partner, ang kalungkanay ni Ruru Madrid! Ayan! Ruru! Kumusta ang journey mo papunta sa Palarong Maynila 2025? Pangalan mo muna, anong laro at anong school? Mabuhay tayo lahat! Mabuhay tayo! Isang tigawan para sa District 4! Isang tigawan para sa District 4! Ako po siya, Chester Edwin Gailen. District 4. Next player athlete po. And first and foremost po, solid po yung preparation ko po sa Larong Maynila po. When it comes to chess po, I prioritize po focus and of course deep analysis po, tapos opening repertoire and also endgame mastery po. And of course po, di lang po more on practice sa chess. But of course, besides po sa chess, pwede po natin ma-enhance o let's prioritize po yung mind mind conditioning natin po. Kasi yun po yung top of the line natin na magiging bahala natin sa
Yes.
magiging chess player po. Kasi ang chess po kasi ay isang chess gymnasium ng ating utak.
Okay.
Doon po
Tama yun, Sir Vince, na napaka-importante ng mind conditioning sa kahit anong laban. Kaya naman,
Exactly, sir. Kaya grabe yung dedication niya. Thank you, Ruro Madrid.
yes sir, Sir Vince. Kaya naman, speaking of mind conditioning, para masiparamdam pa sa atin ang suporta at pagmamahal, isa sa may pinakamalakas na mind conditioning, let us welcome no other than our Manila Vice Mayor, G. Atienza. Let's give her a round of applause.
Magandang hapon, mga bata! Ang tatapos na mailong nyo dahil meron tayong palarong Maynila ngayon. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko munang batiin ang ating napakagaling na Superintendent, Nerissa. Maraming salamat sa pag-organisa nito. At palakpakan natin ang ating alkalde na siya ang gumawa ng paraan para maging posible ito. Palakpakan po natin ang ating alkalde na si Yormes Moreno Lumagoso. Alam niyo mga bata,